Question number 1. Who was the founder of the Servants of Indian Society? Option A. Madan Mohan Malviya, B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Answer is option D. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Question number 2. Who was associated with the Theosophical Society of India? Option A. Sarojini Naidu, B. Lakshmi Sehgal, C. Padmaja Naidu, D. Annie Besant. Answer is option D. Annie Besant. Question number 3. Where was the third annual conference of the Indian National Congress held? Option A. Bombay, B. Lucknow, C. Calcutta, D. Madras. Answer is option D. Madras. Question number 4. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was the editor of which newspaper? Option A. The Bande Mataram, B. The Maratha, C. The Enquirer, D. The Hindu Patriot. Answer is option B. The Maratha. Question number 5. When the British government transferred the capital from Kolkata to Delhi? Option A. 1911, B. 1906, C. 1910, D. 1915. Answer is option A. 1911. Question number 6. Who founded the Indian Association? Option A. Aurobindo Ghosh, B. Surendranath Banerjee, C. Bipin Chandra Pal, D. Lala Lajpat Rai. Answer is option B. Surendranath Banerjee. Question number 7. Surat split took place in which year? Option A. 1900, B. 1907, C. 1911, D. 1919. Answer is option B. 1907. Question number 8. Who was the leader of the Indigo Revolt? Option A. Dudu Mian, B. Titumir, C. Digambar Biswas and Vishnu Biswas, D. Kanhu Murmu. Answer is option C. Digambar Biswas and Vishnu Biswas. Question number 9. Indigo Rebellion took place in option A. Bengal, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Maharashtra, D. Kerala. Answer is option A. Bengal. Question number 10. When did the British pass a law making it an offence to preach nationalism? Option A. 1890, B. 1895, C. 1898, D. 1904. Answer is option C. 1898. Question number 11. Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? ऑप्शन ए वोमेश चंद्र बनर्जी, बी बाबा साहेब भीमराव अंबेडकर, सी फिरोज शाह मेहता, डी सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल। आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए वोमेश चंद्र बनर्जी। Question number 12. During which Governor General's reign the partition of Bengal was declared in 1905? Option A Lord Curzon, B Lord Ripon, C Lord Hardinge, D Lord William Bentinck. Answer is option A Lord Curzon. Question number 13. Who was a moderate nationalist leader? Option A Lala Lajpat Rai, B Dadabhai Naoroji, C बाल गंगाधर तिलक, डी बिपिन चंद्र पाल। आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी दादाभाई नौरोजी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. The Vernacular Press Act was enacted by option A Lord Curzon, B Lord Ripon, C Lord Hardinge, D Lord Lytton. Answer is option D Lord Lytton. Question number 15. Who was the Governor General of India at the time of the Great Revolt of 1857? Option A Lord Curzon, B Lord Ripon, C Lord Hardinge, D Lord Canning. Answer is option D Lord Canning. Question number 16. Who was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress? Option A Badruddin Tyabji, B M.A. Jinnah, C Ajmal Khan, D Abdul Kalam Azad. Answer is option A Badruddin Tyabji. Question number 17. Who did Mahatma Gandhi describe as his political guru? Option A Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B Gopal Krishna Gokhale, C Anand Mohan Bose, D Raj Narayan Bose. Answer is option B Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Question number 18. Who was the founder of the Satya Shodhak Samaj? Option A Jyotirao Phule and Savitribai Phule, B Raja Ram Mohan Roy, C Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D Lala Lajpat Rai. Answer is option A Jyotirao Phule and Savitribai Phule. Question number 19. The Indian Penal Code came into effect in which year? Option A 1860, B 1862, C 1865, D 1875. Answer is option B 1862. Question number 20. Which of these was a feature of the Swadeshi movement in Bengal 1905 to 1909? Option A boycott, B revolutionary terrorism, C. Voluntary associations. D. All of the above. Answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 21. During the first 20 years of the Congress, which of the following acted as the president of the INC thrice? Option A. Surendranath Banerjee. B. Dadabhai Naoroji. C. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. D. Sankaran Nair. Answer is option B. Dadabhai Naoroji. Question number 22. Who was the brain behind the bomb attack on Viceroy Lord Hardinge at Chandni Chowk, Delhi in December 1912? Option A. Ras Bihari Bose. B. Bhagat Singh. C. Lala Lajpat Rai. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer is option A. Ras Bihari Bose. Question number 23. Which was the first newspaper published by M.K. Gandhi? Option A. Indian Opinion. B. Navjeevan. C. Harijan. D. Young India. Answer is option A. Indian Opinion. Question number 24. Sanjeevani, a newspaper published by option A. Motilal Ghosh. B. Surendranath Banerjee. C. Krishna Kumar Mitra. D. Jogendra Chandra Bose. Answer is option C. Krishna Kumar Mitra. Question number 25. Who among the following did not attend the first session of the Indian National Congress? Option A. Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. B. Surendranath Banerjee. C. K. T. Telang. D. Badruddin Tyabji. Answer is option B. Surendranath Banerjee.